Hi dear students, welcome to my class. This is for 8th students and the chapter is combustion and flame. So in the last class we discussed about the fuels and fuel efficiency. So what is meant by fuels? Fuels are easily available, cheaper, and when you burn this it produces large amount of heat and does not leave behind any undesirable substances. So this is what fuels. So efficiency means the amount of heat energy on a complete conversion of 1 kg of fuel. So this is what a caloric value. This caloric value is expressed in the units of kilojoule per kg. This is what yesterday class. In this class, I am going to discussing about the burning of fuels leads to harmful products. Burning of fuels leads to harmful products. So in the olden days our parents used the wood was used as domestic and industrial fuels, but now it has been replaced by LPG and coals and CNG. Okay, so why we should use this wood? Because this wood is easily available, low in cost, and many now also in many rural parts of our country we have to use the water woods as a fuel. So burning of wood produces huge amount of smoke. This smoke contains dangerous or harmful products. So and also this wood is derived from the plants and trees, right? So when you goes on cutting the trees, it leads to deforestation. This is also harmful to our environment. This is all we are studied in the 7th class. Okay. In this class, what the very specific points I am going to discussing here. That means if you increasing the fuel consumption, has leads to harmful effects on our environment. Okay, so we have to discuss the one by one points. So burning of fuels, that means burning of carbon contained fuels like petrol, diesel, wood, charcoal, etc. So it releases burning of carbon contained or carbon fuels release unburnt carbon. This unburnt carbon particles are dangerous pollutants. These are dangerous dangerous pollutants. So what is that pollutants? Pollutants are the substances which causes the pollutions. These dangerous pollutants leads to a disease or respiratory diseases like asthma. Burning of carbon related fuels releases unburned carbon. This unburned carbon is most dangerous pollutants when these pollutants are causing the respiratory diseases like asthma. This is the first point. So next point is burning of, that means incomplete combustion. Incomplete combustion releases a carbon monoxide gas. What carbon monoxide, CO, carbon monoxide gas. It is a dangerous gas. Carbon monoxide is a dangerous gas. So when this carbon monoxide mix with the or reacts with our blood, it may kills the person. Kills the person. is the person. Right now. So incomplete combustion of incomplete combustion of fuels releases the carbon monoxide. This carbon monoxide is dangerous gas. It kills the person also. This is what second point. So next is combustion of most fuels. Combustion of most fuels. Most fuels releases carbon dioxide, CO2, carbon dioxide. So this is also dangerous to environment. So carbon dioxide, if you increase the concentration of a carbon dioxide, it may leads to global warming. Global warming. So what is that global warming? This is very important for global warming. So increase in the concentration of carbon dioxide causes the global warming. Global warming nothing but it is the rise in the temperature of the atmosphere. Rise of the temperature. Rise of the temperature in atmosphere. In atmosphere of Earth. Atmosphere of Earth. That means increase the temperature of the Earth. It is what? Global warming. This global warming is affect to our environment. That is very harmful effects. That is melting of ice galleries. This ice galleries, melting of ice galleries increases the sea water level. When sea water level increases, ultimately the floods are coming. This dangerous to coastal areas. Okay. So next point burning of coal. Burning of coal. This burning of coal and diesel releases sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide. Burning of coal and diesel. Diesel releases this dangerous sulfur dioxides. And extremely suffocating. This is suffocating and corrosive gas. Okay. And one more thing, that is petrol engines. That petrol engines produces a gas like sulfur oxides and nitrogen oxides. NO2, nitrogen oxides. This NO2 oxides of sulfur and nitrogen. This mix with the rainwater. This mix with the rainwater or dissolve in rainwater. That forms the acid. These sulfur oxides and nitrogen oxides dissolves in rainwater, forms acid. This we call as acid rain. Acid rain. So what is meant by acid rain? When oxides of sulfur and nitrogen dissolves in rainwater, this we call as acid rain. From this acid rain, the human beings and other animals having the problem like skin diseases, related to skin diseases, and buildings, most decorative buildings, old buildings are affected by this acid rain, and our crops, from the acid rain crop production is very minimum, and also it minimize the soil fertility. Okay, this is all the effects of burning of fuels leads to harmful products. From these harmful products we can suffer the all these things. Okay, this is the completion of the chapter combustion and flame. In the next video I am going to I will discuss the exercise questions. Okay, thank you.